In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font on your Godaddy website in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're revamping your site for a fresher look, or simply trying to make your website more readable and engaging, switching up the font can significantly impact the overall aesthetics and usability of your site. Let's get started. First and foremost, navigate to the Godaddy website. Now, the first thing you'll see is the home page. From here, you'll want to locate the sign in button. It's usually positioned at the top right corner of the page, so you shouldn't miss it. Once you've found the sign in button, go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to a new page where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. That's right, your username and password. Make sure to type these in accurately to ensure a smooth login process. If you've forgotten your details, don't worry, Godaddy offers options to retrieve them, but for now, let's assume you're all set and ready to go. After entering your username and password, click on the Sign In button once again. Patience is key, as it might take a few seconds to process your information and successfully log you in. Now you should find yourself logged in to your Godaddy account. Here's where the fun begins. You'll want to go to your website, so look for an option or link that takes you to your website dashboard or backend. This can typically be found under your account options or directly on your account dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard of your website, look for an option titled Edit Website. This button is your gateway to making all sorts of changes on your site, including the font change we're aiming for today. Click on Edit Website to proceed. Upon clicking Edit Website, you'll enter the website editor mode. This is where you can customize and tweak your website to your heart's content. But our focus today is on changing the font, so let's stay on track. Go ahead and navigate to the top right corner of the editor page to find Themes. Click on Themes and you will see several options pop up related to the visual aspect of your site. Among these options, you should find Fonts. Click on that. You're now in the section where you can play around with the font styles of your website. In the font section, you'll see two main categories: primary font and secondary font. Starting with the primary font, this is essentially the font that will be most dominant across your site. It's what your visitors will see first and most frequently. Click on the option to change your primary font and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu or a selection of fonts to choose from. Browse through and select the font that best suits the vibe and message of your website. Once you've chosen a new primary font, it's time to select your secondary font. In most website designs, the secondary font complements the primary font and is often used for less dominant text such as descriptions, notes, or smaller headings. Just like with the primary font, click on the option to change your secondary font and navigate through the choices. Select a font that harmonizes well with your primary choice, enhancing readability and the overall aesthetic of your site. After you've made your selections, it's crucial to preview your changes. This lets you see how your chosen fonts look across different parts of your website. Are they legible? Do they match the look and feel you were going for? If so, go ahead and save your changes. If not, no problem. Experiment with different fonts until you find the perfect pair that does. And that's it. Changing fonts might seem like a small tweak, but it can greatly influence how visitors perceive and interact with your site. A well-chosen font enhances user experience, improves readability, and can even express your brand's personality. Remember, while it's easy to get caught up in looking for the most stylish or unique fonts, readability and website harmony are key.